It. Okay, tomato soup part 2. Yeah, I accidentally hit the stop button instead of the pause button, so now it's going to have to be done in 2 parts. Okay, so where I left off was I have all the vegetables that have been fried in butter. Onion, green bell pepper, celery, garlic, a bay leaf, some Tabasco, some thyme, some Worcestershire, some salt, some pepper. That's where we are right now. So like the main objective right now at this stage is to work the tomato products till they're like one. See, so that's like, it's all one. So it's just like one thing. Okay. Now, add some Kroll seasoning. This is like your main thing. There. Some nice Kroll seasoning. Okay, now this is the whole trick. Normally, you'd have a turtle diced up and frying in there, and you'd add that later, and then you'd start adding creams to it. But what I'm going to do, instead of the turtle, this vegan protein broth, a creamy legume. So it's actually really high in protein, so you don't need the protein. You won't miss the turtle not being there. And it adds the cream all at the same time in a vegan way. You've already got butter and Worcestershire sauce in there, so you already aren't vegan. So now we're going to add some of that. Look at that, look at that, isn't that a beauty? Now we're going to add some roux. Whoa, look at that. Isn't that a beauty? Better turn that down. You guys know how this is. It'll splatter everywhere. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That is vegetarian, folks. Vegetarian, creamy turtle soup. Oh, yeah. Gonna let that cook a bit. I ended up adding a little bit of water to it. I felt like it was just a little bit too thick. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Okay. Okay, now it's time to eat it. I got my vegetarian turtle soup over here. Eating it with a little bit of the veggie pasta. Look, you can see in my playlist with vegan recipes. This is actually vegetarian because that's already vegetarian. So some veggie pasta, some grapefruit slices, and some, why do you want this focus? Isn't that annoying? What's wrong with this thing? Just focus. Isn't that what you're designed to do? And some, there we go. Well, Jiminy Christmas, it's about time. Where have you been? And some summer limited edition Stella Artois Solstice Lager. Oof, this is some primo stuff. Look at that male chihuahua. Make sure you see my song Dead Turtles about environmental issues, how we have food. Dead animals are in our clothes, our food, or just everything. And you know, we don't even realize it. We don't know how, we don't know what, we don't know where things came from. So that's why this is vegetarian. You can make it vegetarian, you know. So you look at my playlist. My music's called The Seashores. I've got a whole playlist of rough draft songs. Find the song Dead Turtles, and boom, practice what you preach.